Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Galaxy M17 and let me share with you how to reset the settings on this device. So let's begin with finding and opening the settings. And here we need to scroll all the way down to find General Management. Then let's scroll down and find Reset and go to Reset All Settings. So here we've got the information that this operation will reset all settings except security, language, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. Of course, also your files like photos or videos or whatever, it will not be removed. So just tap on Reset Settings, confirm everything with your screen lock. Here also the information that this operation cannot be undone. So just tap on Reset and wait until this process will be finished. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.